How you going? Mick here from Diggermate. I'm going to show you the controls of the mini excavator. Keys over the far side here. To start the machine, the safety must be up, and to operate it, the safety's down. It won't do either in the wrong position. So, simple as that. Now you've got your accelerator over this side. That was all the way up, that's all the way down. I'll turn that off so you can hear me talk. Over the far side here, you've got the Dozer Blade. The green button is the rabbit button, or the second speed, to go a little bit faster. So the machine will go fast in a straight line, but it doesn't turn very well. We'll go down to the feet next. On this side, left and right here, is your slew, so it's your boom independent of the machine. This one here is for your attachments. So if you've got an auger on, for example, this here will turn the auger left or right. It also works all the other attachments. Your hands in the middle here are just 2 forward, 2 back, 1 for each track. So to turn, you're operating like this, or to go forward or to go back, you're operating like that. And now your joysticks. Now it doesn't matter how many times I tell you this, it's not going to compute until you've been on the machine and started to use them for a little bit. If you've never used the machine before, for the first hour, you're going to feel like a fish out of water, but after that, you'll be right. So left and right on this one is scoop and dump. Forward and back is up and down on the boom. Forward and back on this one is the boom out and in, and left and right on this one will turn the whole machine around. So now I'm on the machine, I'll just show you how it works. Safety up to start, hit the key. Safety down to operate. Over on this side, Dozer Blade, up and down. This really helps the machine stabilise itself if you're on uneven ground as well. All right, your foot there will control the boom, left or right. Your joystick controls scoop and dump on this one, scoop and dump. Up and down, we'll go up and down on the boom. On the other side, forward and back, we'll bring the boom in and out. And on this side, left and right, we'll turn the machine all the way around. Simple as that. So that's how it operates. Super simple, very nerve-wracking in the first hour that you use it, but after that, you're good to go for the rest of your life.